share your URL or your presentation on Google or whatever resource you've made with others. So usually when you want to share it, you would just select this link and copy it, or you could share through the share button. Now, when you do share it, via those two ways, it will bring up exactly what you can see here. So when they click into the link, it will preview and show them the exact same information that you can see now on your screen. So there are 3 other ways that you could share this with other people. So the first one is called present, and that is where you would show, the link would then show them it basically is like a preview in like a presentation mode. So up here you can see the URL. So you're going to go to where it's got that slash just by edit, and you're going to take all of that out. You're going to type in present, and then it's going to convert it into a present mode version. So here we go. Here it's showing you a preview, it's presenting it in a nice pretty way, there's none of the other options or anything around it. You would then copy that and then paste that to whoever you wanted to give that to, the link. Let's just go back. So if you click back, it's going to take it out of that and it's going to take it back to the mode that you've got before. So basically this is edit mode. So it's where you can make changes and edit it and do stuff with it. The next one is a force copy. So what that means is it's going to take them to a link to a version of yours, which is then going to be force copied. So you're going to delete those same words there in the URL. You're going to click copy and then you're going to push enter. And what it will do is it will take you to this version here, which means do you want them to be able to make a copy of your work. The only downside with this is that you cannot preview what you're making a copy, so you actually can't see what you've got. You just have to click on make a copy and it will make a copy for you in your Google Drive. So let's just go back. Now the third way, which is sort of like the best way, a bit of both, is you can use the template preview. And what that does is it actually previews your slides, so like the first mode, present mode, and then it also has a template option, which is kind of like a copy. So I'm going to delete those same things. I'm going to type in template preview. I'm going to click go. And it's then going to, here we go, take me to a preview of it. So this is you're presenting, you're previewing, and then to be able to use the template, so make a copy of it, you can click on this blue button, and then that will actually take you and make a copy of it in your Google Drive for yourself. So again, same process, you would then copy that and paste that with whoever you need to give the link to. If you are just sharing it with parents, so say for example you create a Google slide of links for students or parents and you just want them to be able to see that, you would type in and use the present one, and then you can use that link to share with parents and it will just show the slides in a present mode. It shows all the slides, but the first slide comes up first obviously, and then all the rest of them are shown in a present mode. There's no edit buttons and things like that, so it makes it more pleasing for our students to see, and it's easier to navigate, and then they just sort of go through the slides down the bottom here.